Let's take a look at some of the things you'll learn in our Intro to PowerPoint class. Learning to set up your workspace is extremely important. It helps you work faster and more proficiently. We look at customizing the Quick Access toolbar, as well as other features like customizing the ribbon. For presentation builders, we talk about how to efficiently use the outline view. This allows us to create presentations quickly and easily. The outline pane is used to add all of the text for your presentation. I'll type some content in for this particular slide. There's my title. I quickly jump to the placeholder to add my bullets. The outline pane makes creating presentations as easy as typing in Word. And it also allows us to edit text across multiple slides. Not only does the course look into placing images into PowerPoint presentations, but it also looks at customizing them. You can use the Adjust features in PowerPoint to do things you would normally do inside of a program like Photoshop. And the Style features allow you to do things you would normally do in Illustrator. And all of this can be done quickly and easily in PowerPoint, as well as non-destructively, meaning that I can change or remove any of the features that I add at any later date. Another topic we'll look at is Smart Art. That allows us to build diagrams in minutes instead of hours. Creating them is as easy as typing with the text pane. And if I don't like the way it looks, I can very easily switch from this particular layout to another. And it's very easy for me to choose my own colors, as well as set the style for the way I want the appearance to look. As a graphics program, the use of layers is essential in working in PowerPoint. We can rename layers, select objects on the slide to work on. I'm going to make this a drop image to place behind the content of the slide. And I can do that because I can reorder the layers to make it look the way I want it to look. You don't have to use Excel to make tables or charts. You can do them directly here inside of PowerPoint. Notice I just ask for the rows and columns that I want, and I can type out my table. It's also extremely easy to customize the options that I want, as well as style the table to look the way that I want it to look. Adding charts is just as easy as charts in Excel. I pick my chart type here, and I'm going to edit the data in an actual Excel window. I can do things like change my chart type, alter the layout I'm using, and even add or remove a chart element. Another topic we cover is how to professionally print, selecting what it is we want to print. In my case, I'll do the entire presentation, as well as who we're printing for, and I'll do handouts for my audience. We'll deal with animations as well to make your presentations more easily understood. Slide transitions from slide to slide, as well as slide animations. For example, I'll add an emphasis to this title to draw everybody's eyes to it. And to keep my audience from reading ahead, I'll have my bullet points enter one at a time when I'm ready to talk about them. You'll also learn how to most effectively deliver a presentation, including using a feature called Presenter View. This allows us to easily see the next slide, to transition, see any notes that we've left, the current time, the elapsed time, and even navigate nonlinearly. And these are just some of the features in our Intro to PowerPoint course.